Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. All right.
Blow the candle, make a wish. Blow his candle. Blow, Cassette. Blow. Yeah.
Good job.
I kind of got your breath on.
Okay, turn the lights on. Matthew, can you turn the lights on, please?
You turn the lights on.
Thank you. All right. Happy birthday, Nick. I mean, Lacert.
Get down. Let me stop.
So how old are you, Lacert?
How old are you, Cassette? How old are you?
Get out of my
All right.
Relax.
All right.
Can you hear me, buddy?
Relax.
That means you survived 1 decade. You're still here.